Good evening, all of you. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Nusrat. Today I'm so excited and I brought a beautiful story for you. I hope you will enjoy. Let's begin the story. There was a boy whose name Vijay. He was a stuffed muffin. He was working in a bank as a manager. He had a lot on his plate. That's the reason he didn't have any girlfriends. And due to hectic schedules, he was exhausted. He was a kind-hearted. Everyone was known for his honesty. So many times his friends invite him for party, but he wasn't a party animal. And that's why he never used to attend a party. One day, he came back to home early. Then he got a freshen up. Having taken a supper, he went to the garden. Then he saw there was a girl who was looking like a star in the galaxy. Seeing that girl, he couldn't control his feelings and he was overenjoyed. And he asked that girls, "Let me know, what's your name?" She introduced herself. He found out she was a blind. He was taken aback. They met in the garden every day. Gradually, they become a good friends. He fell in love with her. So many times she made a call to him. They talking to each other over the phone. One day she invited him in a restaurant. He went to the restaurants, having taken lavish dinner. Then she asked him, "I want to say something, my dear." He said, "My love, what do you want to say? Tell me, I'm all the ear." She said, "I have heard from someone. The world is so beautiful. Is it true?" "Yes, the world is so beautiful." "Okay, I want to say, could you help me?" "Yes, why not? Tell me, what should I do?" "I want to go to the hospital. Could you take me to the hospital?" "Yes, sure, why not?" And then they went to the hospital. After consulting the doctor, they came to know she will see in the future. Doctor said to her, if anyone is ready to donate his eyes, then you can see everything. Hearing this thing, she was over the moon. And then they came back to home. The dad boy couldn't sleep the last night. He was twist and turn. Eventually, he decided to give his eyes. As soon as he reached to the hospital, he donated his eyes to her. After surgery, she could see everything. And she was so happy. She enjoyed her life. But she didn't know who was that guy who donated his eyes. One day, that guy sent his sent his proposal to her. She found out he was a blind. She refused in a jiffy. Afterward, that guy was dumped in the down. He sent a letter to her. It was written in that a letter by him. No matter whether you want to tie a knot with me or not, but please take care of my eyes and be happy. Story was over. What do you think, guys, about it? The moral of the story, the love that means a sacrifice, the sacrifice of others' happiness. Do you want to watch such type of the story? So please subscribe my channel for more story. Please share your thought in comment box below. I will come with a new story. Bye bye. Have a nice day.